Hi there. Welcome to day 11 of the Sustainable Living Fair for 2021, brought to you by Columbia Earth Day Coalition and Mid-Missouri Peaceworks. And we've had some great presentations and workshops throughout this Sustainable Living Fair. And today, we didn't have anything new planned, but we do want to revisit some of the garden workshops that we have had throughout the week and preview some of the ones on schedule for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to have a live question and answer Zoom with the folks from CCUA. So they will answer your gardening questions. We've put a few of their videos on today's schedule, uh, some from the past on the fair, some are new to the fair, and some are scheduled for tomorrow, just so that we have more people looking at these videos before we go to the questions and answers for them. If you don't have time to watch them tomorrow, maybe you have time to watch them today. So we appreciate the work that they do in our community, providing food to the food bank and bringing great information and a great community to the Columbia area. So um, enjoy these videos today. Check out their Zoom tomorrow at 4:45 and ask them some questions about what you're seeing. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.